How to change your name on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your name on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change your name on Amazon, all you have to do is open the Amazon application here and then just make sure to log into your account. And after you log into your account, to change your Amazon account's name, from the bottom you'll find a little profile like icon. Just make sure to tap on that icon here, and once you tap on that icon, you can simply go to the option that says your account and then tap on it. And once you go to the your account option here, you'll find account settings, and right here one of the options you'll find is login and security. So tap on login and security option, and at the very top if you look, you'll find the option called name, and you'll find the edit button next to the name. So if you'd like to change a name, just tap the edit button there and then just enter the new name you'd like to change to. Tap on save changes and your name will get successfully changed. This way you can change your name on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.